Hey, I'm Joao.
And I'm Alex, and we are the founders of Veertly. Since March, nearly all physical events and workshops have been cancelled or postponed due to COVID-19. Luckily, even before that, we felt that spending time and money on traveling to attend certain events was not timely anymore, and certainly not sustainable for our planet. However, a very crucial part of the experience to attend events is the networking and the exchange between the attendees. So it's all about the connections and relationships. Until recently, there was no solution to transfer such unique event experience into the digital world. But now you got Wordly.
So, we built an engaging and interactive event platform where participants can watch live streams, discuss in breakout rooms, have a one on one conversation, or even work collaboratively with others inside the same platform. If you think live streams are old school, if you feel the need for more interactive workshops, and you'd like to build with us the future of online events, get in touch now.